Hello everybody, this right here is your boy coming at you with a review of a product here that my daddy and my mama got me for Christmas, and we're gonna check it out. And let's open it up, see what's going on in here. Got the instructions right here. I ain't one to really read instructions. They say please read these instructions carefully. Now we're gonna make ourselves a grilled cheese sandwich. Alright, now I think what we'll do is open up this contraction, put the sandwich on up in here. Let's drop this puppy right on up in here like that. Bam. We're just gonna toast it like that. Lift this up with the handy lifter upper thingamajiggy device, and as you can see, it's a little toasty, not brown like you would know. There we go. There's some brown right here. It's a little crisp there. Must have been a little hotter on this side right here. This is more brown than this side over here now. So to take out my sandwich, just can't pick it up and lift it like that. Be careful not to rip it apart. There we go. Got it out all in one piece. Alright, so I'll put that over there. And here we go. There's the sandwich right here, and grilled cheese toasted in the Grilled Cheese Nation grilled cheese toaster that my daddy and my mama bought for me for Christmas. And some people like to slice the grilled cheese. I'm one of them people, so I'm gonna cut her up into quarters. Let's do half of a whole is half. Half of a whole is a quarter. Quarters. Alright, a little fancy. Alright. Might want to serve this at like a party or something like that. You know, you pull out your Grilled Cheese Nation grilled cheese toaster for a big party, and make yourself about 8 or 9 grilled cheese sandwiches and cut them up into quarters and put them on a platter. Got a nice little hors d'oeuvre here. As you can see here, the grilled cheese, if you just lift up a little part right here, you can see how the heat from the Grilled Cheese Nation grilled cheese toaster just kind of melted the cheese real nice and melty, and it crunched up the outside pretty good. It's not bad. It kept the sandwich nice and thick. It's not thin. It's real nice and thick right here. You can see right there. Yeah. All right. And let's see about the flavor. Let's take a bite of this. Okay. Not bad. Take another little finish this thing off. Okay, not bad at all. No, it's like, that's how this thing works. That's how it roll. Got it from my dad and my mama too, and this thing be grilling grilled cheeses. All right. Thanks for watching.